Good evening. I'm Samantha Newsby with Global Pulse News TV. Tonight, we bring you a remarkable moment of triumph from the edge of space. NASA's Crew-10 has just returned safely to Earth. The Crew-10 team, NASA astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, JAXA's Takuya Onishi, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Kirill Peskov, splashed down in the Pacific Ocean off Southern California. This marks NASA's first Pacific splashdown in 50 years. They were dispatched in March to relieve astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams, who had been stranded for 9 months after Boeing's Starliner experienced technical problems. This was SpaceX's first Pacific splashdown with a NASA crew since the Apollo-Soyuz mission in 1975. The return to California represents a return to the ocean that once was their homecoming. Crew-10's commander, Anne McClain, called the mission a reminder of what humanity can achieve when we unite. Her crew toasted the return with plans for hot showers and juicy burgers on home soil. NASA and SpaceX navigated a complex rescue, showing the strength of public-private partnerships. The success underscored trust in SpaceX to safely return crews when Boeing's Starliner could not. Crew-10 is home, safe, resilient, and ready. From the ISS to Southern California's waters, their journey reminds us that exploration is about courage, collaboration, and the unyielding human spirit. This has been Samantha Newsby with Global Pulse News TV. Back to you.